What's up, YouTubers? How you all doing? What's good? What's popping? And yeah, another thing. Today is we're taking a quick review on another yet to release 2020 sneakers, and this time around it's gonna be something good, something bad, something whatever. But it is what it is, and this time around this is going to get down like real fast. But before we get into it, don't forget to like hit the subscribe button if you're feeling this, drop a comment, like, whatever, just like boost the page, let the page come up, boom, and we're gonna keep dropping content every day. So yeah, but before we get into today's content, actually, the thing is, Christmas is full of surprises, and this time around, a day after Christmas, the Air Jordan 12 are actually releasing another top sneakers. Like, I've been waiting for these. Like, I saw these and I've been like, what's this gonna be like? What's this gonna be like? Is it gonna be like this? Is it gonna be like that? So this time around I got these, and yeah, thanks to or should I say shout out to the VIP kicks. Like, they send this all over, and I just want to like make a quick review about it and see what it is. So first of all, we'll talk about the box, just like a regular, cardboard box, and taking a look at the shoe. This is just it, the Air Jordan 12 reverse flu game. This is just so amazing. So what do you think about this? Don't you think it's dope enough? Don't you think it's cool enough? So yeah, let's take a quick review and let's see what it is. Though it's here, and what else? Just say it. I love it. I like it. Well, I'm not bringing the news. I'm only reporting what people say. So yeah, I feel this is quite dope enough. This is quite good and not so bad. So first of all, let's take a look at the material. So this is quite different from the previous the indigo, right? This is quite different from the indigo, and I just feel it's amazing because the leather isn't so obvious, but when you look at the lower side of the shoe, you got the leather, and when you look at the top or the medial side of the shoe, you have the suede material, which actually makes it looks more dope. And taking a look at the tongue, inside of it, somewhere around here, you got this mesh material, which actually is so good. At the top of the tongue, you have the Jumpman. The laces are just so dope, and in between the laces, you have this 2-3, like 23, 2-3. So yeah, that's it about the front view. And taking a look at the heel, or should I say the back of the shoe, you have this this Jordan stitch to it, then the pull up with the Jumpman logo, then 23 at the downside of the heel, and yeah, it says quality inspired by the greatest player ever. You all know who that is, Michael Jordan. So yeah, that's so dope. I just feel the quality, the sense, and everything put into this particular sneaker really makes sense, and it's just so okay. I would actually want to like kick this, but I can't tell, but it's really amazing. So let's see what the insole looks like. Okay, so yeah, just like your regular normal insole stuff, the material so flexible, so comfortable, and yeah, you just have the Jumpman, which is whatever the size tag is. And we're talking of the outsole, so at the top you have the Jumpman, then you have the 23. What else? What were you expecting if not 23? So then just all black. Then around here you have this design, this stuff here, which actually sounds more good. So that is about this. So yeah, once again, shout out to the VIP, shout out to me myself, shout out to everybody watching this. I really appreciate. But yeah, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to drop your comment. Let me know what you think about this particular kicks. So the indigo is something different because I got this. So it's kind of similar when you talk of the similarities, the look identity, but the colorway is quite so different. So I just feel they keep repeating almost the same thing but in a different fashion sense, which is quite dope. You can't just keep bringing the same thing every time. You have to change something about it, isn't it? Yeah, you have to change something about it. So this is good, and this is good. This is actually like previous release. Yeah, previous release, and this is yet to release. So if you want to get this for yourself, you can actually go through the affiliated link below. You know, you can keep your like pre-order, and you know when it's out, boom. So the retail price for this is actually going for, okay, the retail price, let's just wait till then. But yeah, this shouldn't be so you know expensive. I just feel it's gonna come with the normal price for, you know, your Air Jordan 12 and stuff like that. So yeah, that's it for that, and you know, it is what it is. Peace out.